I see my path, but I don't know where it leads. Not knowing where I'm going is what inspires me to travel it. Hey guys, so here I am presenting you my new vlog, Devaryathal, where Devtas come and path. We will explore the mountains, the forest, and the flora and fauna of the place. When the journey ends, you reach the destination. Whatever pain, difficulties you felt in the journey, that will fade away when you see beautiful views in front of you. There are no shortcuts to any place worth going. The best views comes after the hardest climbs, and into the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. We have become strangers to nature. The best way to live longer, healthier lives is to revive ourselves by returning to nature whenever we can. And let's meet some new people, know about them, how they live there, how they survive, and what they earn. So let's join and take a virtual tour of Devaryathal with new 360-degree footage. We will explore the place and know about its historic, mythological relations, flora and fauna, mountains surrounding it, and take a pledge to conserve these few places. The vlog is coming in this channel, so subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Until then, watch our previous videos.